Creating animations with Flipaclip is a fun and creative process. Here's a guide on how to animate using the Flipaclip app. Start a new project. Tap on New Animation to create a new project. You can choose the canvas size, frame rate, and background color according to your preferences. Add frames. Start by creating the first frame of your animation. You can draw directly on the canvas using your finger or a stylus. Tap the plus button to add more frames for subsequent animation steps. Onion skinning. Flipaclip offers an onion skinning feature that allows you to see the previous and next frames as a reference while drawing the current frame. Enable it for smoother animations. Timeline. Access the timeline to arrange and adjust the timing of your frames. You can also duplicate, delete, or move frames as needed. Audio. If you want to add sound to your animation, Flipaclip supports audio import. Record or upload audio clips to synchronize with your animation. Export. Once you're satisfied with your animation, you can export it as a video or GIF. Select your preferred settings, including resolution and frame rate, and save your animation to your device. Practice and experiment. Animation can be challenging, so practice is key. Experiment with different frame rates, drawing techniques, and storytelling to improve your skills.